Hey guys, welcome back into another video. There is a tornado. No, there's a tornado warning. Kel, come here. Don't worry, I'll protect you. Here. Come on, grab onto my hand. My brother is scared right now.
We had a tornado when we was little kids.
Kel, you know what Kel, you know what the sirens mean?
What?
Sirens mean that there's a tornado. No, don't worry, it's not touching down yet. There is just a tornado warning. No, don't worry, come here. Yeah, guys, if you see those clouds, yeah.
Wait, what about the rabbits? It's out here.
So?
Are you gonna be safe?
Kel, the clouds are moving really fast.
Christian, go.
No, just come here. Grab onto my...
Christian, come on.
There's a rainbow. There's a tornado.
Come on.
Caleb, look, there's a rainbow. Yeah, guys, look, there's a rainbow. There is a tornado warning. I haven't seen one of these in a while. Woo! Why is the clouds moving so fast? Yeah, you see.
Christian, it's 4:11.
4:11?
Yeah, you need to get in here right now.
No, Caleb. It said it'll probably...
When it hits,
4:30? Yeah, it says 4:30. It said there'll be a tornado by around...
Christian, I think you should get in.
No, Kayla, it's only 4:12.
We're trying to protect you.
Kayla, come here.
I'm like, it needs to
Here,
happen.
just,
You're ruining my
Kayla,
brother.
just grab. Shh.
Mommy, it stopped.
It's raining. Get mine. Yeah, guys, here's a tornado. No, it's just raining. I haven't had one in a while. Yeah, guys. Why is there a rainbow during a tornado? Clouds are moving really fast. Jeez, they're moving really fast. What?
It's 4:12.
No, right now it's 4:13.
Christian,
No, come here.
it's almost happening.
No,
You need to get in here right now.
no, Kayla. After this video, do you want to shut it up? Kayla, just come here. Kayla, just hug me.
You're insane, Christian.
Here, come here, real quick. Come here.
You're
It's
insane.
Okay. It's okay. Kayla. Kayla, just grab onto me. No, it's okay.
Christian, stop making.
Okay, guys, I'll end this video. Well, guys, there's a tornado. It's just a tornado warning, Caleb. It's just a tornado warning.
You know, sometimes it's 100.
Wait, it's 4:14.
Christian.
Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video from now on. I'm kind of getting shaken. Man, the clouds are really moving really fast. Jeez. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Why is there a rainbow during tornadoes? That is... Yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Right now, it is 4:14. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and goodbye. Wait, no. We're not. Yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. See you in the next one. Peace and goodbye.